Okay, good morning. Today I'm gonna be making quesadillas with mozzarella cheese and some huevos with scrambled eggs with eggs. Yeah. Today I'm gonna be using a stainless steel pan which conducts heat very quickly but not evenly, and it's also easier to clean. And I'm gonna be using an aluminum griddle, or that's what I heard it's called online. This will conduct heat evenly but not that quickly. For the quesadillas, I'm gonna do that second. For the huevos, I'm gonna break this right here, right here, which will do. See how it's broken right there? Now we just open it. Then so it's like that, right? So you have one right there, right? So I'm gonna do a second one. Okay, again like this, and then you break it. Like that. Make sure there's no eggshells in it. I see there's no eggshells in mine, so that should be good enough. Right. So then, after we do that, we stir it up. So it becomes more like a liquid. Since the density of it become lighter, that means there will be more of it. But the mass will not change. Since mass cannot be created or destroyed. That's Isaac Newton's third law of matter. It can be destroyed. We will do this until it becomes more like a liquid. You see, like this, not ready yet. You see now this is ready for I'm gonna just stir it up a little more just in case. You see, it's very liquidy. Okay. So now, for this, you turn up the flame, which is here a methane gas flame. Methane is very commonly used in the United States. Actually, fun fact, I searched up on the internet, and it accounts for 30% of the energy here in California. Yeah, which is an interesting fact. Now, once you're done with your eggs, like this, you pour it onto here. Okay, first thing you should do is make sure it doesn't go to the sides, because then it'll stick to the sides and it won't be good. See, no sides. You cannot let it go to the sides, because then it will stick, and we do not want that for our eggs to stick. And here's something you guys could do if you guys want to. You guys could add salt to it, which would add some flavor to it. Like I like adding salt to mine. Just a little bit though. Not too much, not too little. If you guys want to add salt, that's up to you guys. But one thing you guys should do is grab a spatula and make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom either. Which is what I'm about to do. There we go. Spatula. You gotta make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom either. We cannot let it get stuck to anything. Neither to the side nor the bottom. Cannot let it get stuck. Yeah. Yeah, make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom like this, or it'll be a hassle to clean up. You see how here it's getting stuck to the side? It's gonna be very hard to clean up after. Yeah, so when it's like this, you have some eggs like this. This should be good enough. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave my eggs here. I'm gonna turn on the stove for safety. And then I'm gonna turn on this thing. So once we have the flame on both of them here, now we can start up by cutting the cheese. We will cut in thin slices so it melts quicker. Because the density of it will be way less, since there will be less mass. Yeah, in each slice. Yeah, well, I'm gonna skip this part and just go straight to the cooking.